Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Monday to you. This is Everything Sharp, and I'm Tim. First thing I want to show you guys, I've got these neat dump trays on Amazon. So they come flat, front and back, and then you fold the corners in. Snaps are really good on these, really strong snaps. And it makes a good EDC tray. So when I come in from work, dump my wallet, my knife, my light, my sunglasses, whatever else I got in my pocket, my knife. Just wanted to share that with you. These are cheap, inexpensive. This is vegan leather. Feel really nice. Stitching's really nice on them. 11, 12 bucks. EDC dump tray. Then we got another package from Amazon in, which I thought this was pretty cool. So we got, this is a Sharpaw giving you the edge. This is called the Transfer Rod Adjustable Angle Knife Sharpener. It comes with 2-piece 325 grit 45 microns coarse diamond sharpening rod, 2-piece 1000 grit 15 microns extra fine diamond sharpening rod, 2 ceramic rods, 1-piece diamond tapered rod, fish hooks, sharpening smooth leather, universal broadhead wrench. So let's get into this. The reason why I thought this was cool, for the smaller the blade, the smaller the stone you got for like recurves and stuff like that, is better. So some knives require you to have smaller blades. If I can get this, okay, so let's see. It says open on this end. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Alright, there we go. So, pretty cool. So we got this thing here, which is a pretty cool handle. And you can adjust the degrees. These are your slides here. You can adjust the degrees. It goes all the way down to a 15 degree. 20. It goes all the way down to a 15 degree. So you're all the way down there. And then in the handle, that stores it. Okay, so where are the rods at? Let's see. So there's your rods down in there. This is pretty cool get up, guys. So you got the rods, so you just take them out. So you got ceramics there. And you can just take the ceramic out. Insert the rod. Put your ceramic back down in there, the tube. Tighten this back down. There you have it. And then you take your knife like so. Let's see here. Lay it down flat. Then back to you. I think I put a 20 on this one. Hope everyone had a good day. We had beautiful weather today. Really, really nice. Then you just lay it down on there. And it helps you keep your angle, guys. And you got the stone over here. But I thought this would be really sharp for recurves. It's even got your rough leather here for your stropping. Then it's got your smooth leather. Then when you're done, I don't want to break it, but let's see, I'm trying to figure it out, guys. That's not it. Then when you're done, you just unscrew it. I'll have to read the instructions, but it stores in the handle somehow. But really cool idea. Set your knife up like so, angle it, then you got both sides just like that there. Really cool idea from Sharpaw. I'll have to read it. We might as well read it while we're here real quick. If you're new to the channel, we're glad to have you. If it's the first time seeing your video, I appreciate it. Appreciate you guys. Hit that like button for me. So I'm pretty sure. Alright, so I'm pretty sure, let's see. That. Adjusting the angle guide. What about storing it? So, okay, so it's just like this, guys, I think. I think I'm right. Nope, I'm not right. I know there's a way to store it inside the handle. I just got to figure it out. So, disassembly. Counterclockwise. So we want to go back. Nope. Let's see here. So it says, I don't want to break it, fellas, but I know it stores down in there somehow. I just ain't figured it out yet. Ain't that way. I'm not sure about that one. I'm trying to figure it out, fellas. I don't know. That's that end. That's wild. Let's see here. I don't want to break it, guys. I know this comes off. Yeah, I'm not going to break it. I'm going to leave it like that. If I figure it out, I'll make another video. But it's pretty cool. Really cool setup. 2 1000s there. Another 1000. Then you have your coarse. 325s. Then you have your fine. A really cool design. And your smooth. It's kind of like a pivot barrel. And then screw that in. There is a way to get this off, guys, in stores in the handle. I'm just not sure right now, and I don't want to break it. So I don't want to hold this here while I read the whole instructions. But you guys get the hang of it. Really cool design. Really, really cool. Sharpening. I bought this for recurve blades is what I bought it for, and all the other knives. It's got everything you need. Really cool. Sharpall transfer rod. Let's get this out of the way. We'll keep it in your user's manual. But what I was saying before I got stuck on that, if it's the first time seeing my videos, I'm glad to have you. If you're a subscriber of mine, I also appreciate you guys. If I had 1 subscriber, I'd still do this every day, because it's about the love of pocket knives and blades. EDC gear. I love this stuff, man. I eat, sleep, and breathe pocket knives. We got another Homer Zoo custom coming in, but it was their New Year's celebration over there, and he didn't mail it out till today. So you guys will be seeing that coming. And got a couple more knives coming in. One I'm really excited about getting it in. It should be here either tomorrow or Thursday, I think. And I'll share that with you guys. And just a little bit about today. The weather is beautiful. Got out there and got it. Started a deck. Started a metal building today as well. Putting the skin on it. Started a deck. Go back to Cynthiana tomorrow. Work on that deck a little bit more. And the weather's going to be beautiful. Wednesday, Thursday rain. I don't know about that, but just grateful to have good weather so far this week to work. And then we went to our Ace, and we picked up the Marilla. This is black anodized aluminum, marble black carbon fiber Marilla S35VN. I don't own too many Case modern knives. I own more slip joints of theirs. I do have one other one. I'll grab it out real quick. And I'm not sure what this one is, but I really liked it when I first got it, but I don't like it's assisted. I like the blade shape. This is the Westline. I like the blade shape, the handles, the ergos on it, but I don't care for the assisted on it. It fires out there. Come wicked sharp, and I put a good edge on it. I just don't like the assisted part. And thumb studs are in a bad place for me. They need to be further up. I like the design, just don't care for the assisted on it. But this Marilla is an open construction. 2 standoffs back there in the back. We have some carbon fiber on the show scale that has some machining in it for like diamond plate. All these screws are going to be T8 all the way around. Good job, Case, on that. I see a boo-boo right off. I don't like. So, right hand carry only. But you guys see it. They did the pocket clip on top of the aluminum scale. And then used those big mushroom screws. I don't like that. No backspacer on this, guys. We do have a lanyard hole. I like the carbon fiber on it, though. Carbon fiber is done nicely. No voids in it. I like the edges of it. You can see the cuts, the cross cuts in it. We have a frame lock. I see another boo-boo right there. Frame lock. the relief cut is right under where you slide that thing in your pocket. I don't know how that's going to go in and out yet. I don't have on jeans. But we have a frame lock, relief cut on the outside. We have a steel lock bar insert. The steel lock bar insert serves as the over travel stop for the frame. One means of deployment on this, guys, is the flipper tab, which works really good. You can't push it, you gotta light switch it. Very, very smooth drop shut action. This is on bearings. Ergonomically feels really good in the hand. The jimping, they got plenty of jimping, but it's so soft that it doesn't catch anything. I mean, it gives you a little traction, but not much. Choke up spot, you're right against the back of that blade, so be careful. Stone wash is really good, cool on it. Stone washed. Let's do some size comparisons on it. So this is the Case Marilla. Case's take on the modern knife. So it is shorter than the Bug Out. I mean longer than the Bug Out, I'm sorry. The Drop Bear, it's longer than the Drop Bear as well. And then we got the Spyderco Paramilitary 2. The Spyderco is longer than it. The Westline, it's about the same length. So the Westline has S35VM blade stock as well. The jimping on it is better. It has jimping on the bottom and the top, and the jimping grabs you there, but it's not about this one. So cutting edge, we got it right about 3 3/8. Overall, we got about 8 1/4. Handle, we got about 4 3/4. What's it weigh, they say? It's not going to weigh anything because it's got that carbon fiber show scale and aluminum back. Action's good, guys. 3.2, I'm going to reweigh it since I dropped it. 3.1 ounces, S35VN, aluminum and carbon fiber. So some of the things I like about it, I like the blade shape, drop point. I like the handle right there, is super comfortable. Reverse grip's going to be comfortable. They give you good access to the lock bar. Falls down super slick. They did use all T8s. The one thing that I do not like is that lock bar hits on the cutout for the frame lock relief there. Hits right on that corner, and then they use those mushroom headed screws. The action, it's really nice. Fall shut. Ergonomically, she's sound. So this is a drop point blade. Got a flat grind up to a flat, and then we have 2 swedges run down the spine of the blade to the tip. Really cute tip there. I really like the stone wash, is really neat. It almost looks like it's got patina on it, but it don't. Let's test how sharp it comes. What aggravates me with Case's traditional knives, if you go back and look at past videos I've done, take the knife out of the box and it won't cut paper. I get Cases, is a USA company. I get that. But they're pumping out so many knives that their quality control is really, really down. I mean, it's really, really down, guys. I mean, you're buying a tool to cut with, which I get it. Most of Case knives are collector's knives. I get that. Some people don't even pack them or use them. But I use just about all my knives. There's some that's Safe Queens or Grails or whatever you want to call it, but most of my knives get used. Very few that don't. Alright guys, 225. 225 is new high-end cutlery. On the low side of it, it ain't the high side. 200 or below is utility razor sharp. I'm going to do it one more time because I kind of went fast through that, wasn't paying attention. Just to be honest here, we'll cut it one more time and see if it is truly 225 or lower or higher. So let's clear it. First one we got 225, but I sped my way through it. 240, so high-end cutlery. Good job, Case, on that. High-end cutlery we can use with it. I think I'm getting a little bit of a flu, guys, or something. Throats. See how it cuts this bank envelope. And we'll get out of here. So yeah, it's really sharp. Good job on this one, Case. But some of their traditionals I've had problems with. They wouldn't cut. Let me try it in my pocket here. Yeah, it hits right here in that lock bar relief. That's the only thing I see is it hits right there in a bad spot. If they would have angled it or something, got it off that lock bar relief, it would have been a lot better. The sharpening choil and plunge grind, they give you a little bit of room to sharpen there. Good job on that. They used all T8s. The only negatives I got on this knife, guys, is it's very smooth. That's not a negative. The only negative I got is get this pocket clip to hit somewhere besides the relief cut for the lock bar. Those mushroom headed screws aren't good. Make it for lefties too, Case. You're missing out on opportunity. There's a lot of lefties out there that everybody misses in. Just screw 2 holes here and you're good to go. I guess because it's carbon fiber. I guess that's why they didn't do it. But this is the Case Marilla, guys. Really nice knife. S35VN, carbon fiber, aluminum frame with a lock bar insert. Open construction. And that's about all she wrote. You guys stay safe, stay sharp, stay warm.